Friends, welcome to our channel MNP Guru. RBI has changed the rules for NACH with effect from next month, which will enable the processing of payments such as salaries and pension even on weekends and bank holidays. So let's know this news in detail. This video is very important. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel MNP Guru if you haven't subscribed it till now, because in this video you get the latest information in financial sectors always. So sometimes the first day of the month falls on the weekend, because of which people have to wait till Monday for their salary to be credited. But from next month, that is from 1st August, you all have not to wait for a working day to see the most awaited message of salary has been credited into your account. All important banking transactions like salary, pension and EMI payments will happen 24/7 with effect from August 1st, 2021. During the credit policy review of June, RBI Governor Shakti Kanta Das had announced that in order to further enhance the convenience of customers, the National Automated Clearing House (NACH) will be available on all days of the week. The facility is currently available only when banks are open, usually between Monday to Friday. In order to further enhance customer convenience and to leverage the 24/7 availability of real-time gross settlement RTGS NACH, that is NACH, which is currently available on bank working days only, is proposed to be made available on all days of the week effective from August 1st, 2021. RBI Governor Shakti Kanta Das had said this earlier. Now you might be knowing about NACH. The full form of NACH is National Automated Clearing House. It is a bulk payment system operated by the National Payment Corporation of India, that is NPCI, that facilitates one-to-many credit transfers such as payment of dividend, interest, salary and pension. It also facilitates the collection of payments pertaining to electricity, gas, telephone, water, periodic installments towards loans, investments in mutual funds and insurance premium. So next time, that is from 1st August 2021, don't forget to put ample amount of money in your bank account so that your EMI is deducted on time. And also a good news is that now you don't have to wait for Mondays and weekdays for your salary, because anytime in the week, although it is a bank holiday or Sunday, you will get your salary. So this was a very good news. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Until next video, have a nice day, keep smiling. Good day.